Welcome back to Car Screening. In Japan, the term car is pronounced differently. It's called kuruma. And no, we're not referring to the demon-tailed beast from Naruto. The cars in this list are in fact speed demons, and they make this list of top 10 iconic Japanese sports cars. Number 10. The Toyota Corolla AE86, affectionately referred to as the Hachiroku, has earned its renown, owing in part to its appearance in the popular animated series Initial D. This remarkable vehicle boasts a 1.6-liter 4AGE engine, a collaborative effort with Yamaha, which adds to its allure. The most prominent reason it became an icon was its appearance in the Japanese anime and manga series Initial D. This series, which centers around the world of street racing, features the car as the main character's car, propelling it into the spotlight. Number 9. The Mazda RX7, another sports car that gained international acclaim, owes its fame to two standout features. First and foremost is its unconventional rotary engine, a distinctive 1.3-liter 13B rotary turbo engine that not only produces impressive power and torque, but also boasts a distinct, thrilling sound and smooth revving capability. The second noteworthy aspect of the car is its captivating design. This sports car hugs the road with its unmistakable timeless appeal that will continue to turn heads for years to come. Notably, its pop-up headlights add a charming touch to its overall aesthetic. Number 8. Globally recognized, the Toyota Supra has earned a reputation as a supercar challenger. Capable of achieving more than 600 horsepower through straightforward modifications, all thanks to its renowned 3-liter inline-6 engine, the 2JZ GTE. In its factory configuration, the Supra boasted a modest 276 horsepower, but enthusiasts quickly discovered its potential for significant power gains through modifications. This affordable Japanese sports car demonstrated that extracting substantial power wasn't solely the domain of high-priced supercars, breaking the notion that exceptional performance required deep pockets. Number 7. The R34 Nissan Skyline GTR has gained a reputation as one of the world's most tuner-friendly cars. It's a beloved icon in the Japanese domestic market scene, and its value continues to rise steadily. Beneath the hood resides the RB26 2.6-liter turbocharged straight-six engine, initially delivering 276 horsepower. However, a simple remapping of the engine can boost it to an impressive 400 horsepower. But it's not just about its raw power. It's also celebrated for its sophisticated all-wheel drive system. This technology ensures that the car maintains an exceptional grip on the road, akin to a leech clinging tightly to its host. If you've been entertained by this video so far, be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Number 6. All generations of the Mazda MX5 Miata hold a special place in the automotive world. This petite roadster demonstrated that you don't need a pricey sports car with immense power to have a blast behind the wheel. It achieved this with a modest 1.6-liter engine, producing a mere 114 horsepower, which resulted in a 0 to 62 mile/hour time of 9.1 seconds. Even Christian von Koenigsegg, a renowned automotive engineer and founder of Koenigsegg, owns a first-generation Mazda Miata, showcasing the universal appeal of this charming roadster. Number 5. Honda ingeniously solved the puzzle of creating an affordable sports car with the S2000, and the world has embraced this charming roadster with open arms. Nestled under its elongated hood is a spirited 2-liter inline-4 double overhead cam naturally aspired aluminum engine that roars to life, reminiscent of a high-performance superbike. The magic of the car stretches to its engine when combined with a rigid and purpose-built chassis, transforming this car into a pure driver's delight. Number 4. Gordon Murray, the renowned designer, found inspiration in the NSX when creating the McLaren F1, showcasing the significance of this mid-engined Ferrari from Japan with its 3.2-liter VTEC engine. In an era when supercars were renowned for being costly, rough around the edges, undependable, and impractical, Honda introduced the NSX, a vehicle that defied convention. It was both user-friendly and exceptionally fast, marking a groundbreaking moment. If you seek a supercar with enduring longevity, the car remains unrivaled, ensuring it will accompany you through the ages. Number 3. In the year 1970, the realm of fast cars lacked a crucial element: practicality and reliability. Nissan effectively demonstrated that supercars could blend speed with reliability. For the U.S. market, the car featured a 2.4-liter inline-6 engine, delivering a respectable 151 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels. This engine proved to be exceptionally durable, complemented by its striking appearance and a driving experience finely tuned for enthusiasts. The inaugural 240Z achieved global acclaim, laying the foundation for Nissan's iconic Z-Series cars. Number 2. Indeed, drawing inspiration from the Jaguar E-Type and bearing a resemblance to several European counterparts, the Toyota 2000 GT transcended its influences. This exceptional masterpiece, collaboratively crafted by Yamaha and Toyota, was driven by a 2-liter inline-6 engine, boasting 148 horsepower. With a limited production run of just 351 units, the 2000 GT stands as Japan's pioneering true sports car and serves as the predecessor to the Lexus LFA. Number 1. We've kept the finest for the grand finale. Isn't that the way it usually goes? The Lexus LFA stands as a strong contender for the title of the finest supercar of the past decade and is often regarded as one of the most exceptional automobiles ever crafted. At its heart, the LFA boasts a 4.8-liter naturally aspired V10 engine that eagerly screams to a staggering 9,000 revolutions per minute, generating an auditory symphony unlike anything you've ever experienced. This supercar's brilliance shines far beyond its price tag and technical specifications. With that, the list is complete with LFA at its apex.